Open house etiquette for buyers. Visiting an open house is a great way to see what a property has to offer. When you enter, most open houses have a sign-in sheet asking for your name, address, and phone number. Now, if you're already working with another agent, be sure to mention that to the hosting agent. And if you're just a curious neighbor, let the agent know that as well. Be polite to the hosting agent and avoid monopolizing their time if multiple buyers are touring the home. And avoid saying anything negative about the property in the presence of other buyers. If you'd like to take any photos or videos of the home, be sure to ask permission first. Most importantly, as you tour the property, be respectful of the homeowner. Following these common sense tips will ensure you have a pleasant house hunting experience.